How to return items purchased on Shein or how to return Shein items. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pippin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can return Shein items. Now the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up Shein, and you want to make sure that you are logged on to the account that you made the purchase of the item that you wish to return from. Once here, what you can do is you can simply head over to the Me option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once under Me, you can see My Orders option, and beside it you can see View All option at the right hand side of the screen. So you need to simply tap on View All. Now here you'll be able to see all your orders. I don't have any, but if you do have one and you want to make a return, you want to simply find the order that you wish to return and then tap on it and then tap on Return Item menu. Then you want to indicate the reason why you want to return and then submit it. Then select the return method and refund method, then pack the items to be returned with the original packaging. So this is the way that you can return Shein items. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.